Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, do your own personal practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly follow me right away. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, and of course quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out, and everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. Okay, the more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator, and of course with this indicator you will be able to analyze in a cool way. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, now let's go straight into it right away. Okay, so this asset actually got to the resistance zone, but it was unable to break out above the resistance zone, so it started a downtrend. That is why we got a red flag around there, and of course the red arrow, and it kept on selling even though there are pullbacks in between, but it sold till it got to this support zone, and right from there it started an uptrend. You can see the yellow flag, and of course it has been buying since then. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, the next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, let's check it out right away. Okay, this is boom 500. Right from this resistance zone it started a downtrend because it was unable to break out above it. Okay, and you can see the red flag and the red arrow, and of course it kept on selling till it got to this support zone at the pullback, and of course it's around the support zone again. Once it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. It had been on uptrend right from this support zone. You can see the yellow flag, and of course it's kept on buying, got to this region, had a pullback, went back there again, still had another pullback, and of course went back to this resistance. It was unable to break out above it, so it's had another major pullback, and of course it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. So this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. It started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and it sold till it got to this support zone, and of course right from here it was unable to break out below it, so it started an uptrend right from there, so it is buying at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The last asset is going to be V75. Well, at least 75 started an uptrend right from this support zone because it was unable to break out below it, got to this resistance zone, had a little pullback, and went back up to break out above it. It is approaching another major resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying, but if it does not, it will go back on downtrend. But for now it is still buying until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone, and if it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back into a sell trend. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.